Hey everyone, it's Jonathan Schminks back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my homemade 3D printed force scale that I use to measure force from propellers and stuff like that. So basically, it's just a 3D printed clamp attached to a piece of wood that's on an actual clamp on my desk, and that whole assembly rests on top of a scale that I got on Amazon for like $20. It goes up to 10 pounds and it measures in grams and stuff like that. So I can 3D print any shape motor mount into this little slider that I can put on the top of it. And then because the two pieces of the elbow are equal length, it means any force that's applied here is the same here. So it measures it exactly, pretty much exactly. So then what I'm using this for now is to measure grams of force that the propeller can make. And I'm going to use that for a project coming up that involves a car and some propellers. I think you can guess. It might not be what you expect.
Graph.
Well, there you go. It's a pretty simple contraption. It's going to be pretty useful for the next upcoming videos. So that's really all it is. If you haven't figured out what project I'm going to be doing next, I have some extra time, so I'm going to start losing some weight with this car. So first I'm going to be taking off the obvious part, which is the body. Then we have uncovered electronics, so that's pretty cool. So next I think I'm going to take off these bumpers and spoilers because they're pretty useless for what I'm doing. I think next I'll get rid of this fake suspension up here. The actual suspension is just a little spring in this thing. Kinda interesting, but I think this should just come right off with this screw, because, you know, it's pretty pointless. Yep, that was easy. So it looks like we lost 21 grams so far. Whole car only weighs 162 grams, so I think that should easily lift it up, because I'm able to lift my phone, and my phone weighs about 50 grams more. So the drone should have no problem with it, but I'm going to see what else I can take off, just to make sure. Well, I don't need these prongs, since they're used for holding on the body, and obviously I'm not using that anymore, so I can just take these off. So, if this scale works right, I should have more than enough power to lift up my batteries, my electronics, my frame, and the car all at once. So, hopefully this is right, and hopefully next video is going to be great. So, if you want to watch another video, so I have my 3D printed RC car right here, and my 3D printed RC hovercraft right here, and that's it for this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya!